seats. Our Prime Cabinet Secretary, the Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, Principal Secretary is present, the Chair of the Nairobi Securities Exchange and CEO, board members of the Capital Markets Authority, board members of Liaison Group, board members of CPF Financial Services, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm Jambo. I know it's cold. I was also feeling it. But it's a great pleasure that I join you today for the groundbreaking listing of this Linzi Sukuk on the unquoted securities platform of the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Indeed, a very momentous occasion as we introduce the first Sharia-compliant financial product to the Kenyan exchange. I take this opportunity to congratulate Linzi Finco Trust, the issuer of the